In this video, I'll show you how to add a favicon to your Shopify Dawn theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. A favicon is the tiny icon you see on your browser tab next to your store's name. It may be small, but it enhances your brand's visibility and gives your store a polished, professional look. Start by logging into your Shopify account and accessing your online store dashboard. From the home page, go to the online stores section on the sidebar. This will take you to the themes page where your current theme, likely Dawn, is displayed. Click Customize next to your theme to open the editor. In the upper left corner, click the gear icon for theme settings. This panel is your control center for fine-tuning your theme. Within theme settings, select logo. It might seem unexpected, but this section includes the favicon settings. Here you'll see an option called Favicon. Click Select to upload your favicon file. You can either upload a new image from your device or pick an existing image from your Shopify library. Pro tip: use a square image, ideally 16 pixels or 32x32 pixels to ensure it looks sharp across all devices. Once uploaded, your favicon is live, giving your store a more professional and recognizable appearance. And that's it. Small touches like this can make a big difference in brand recognition and the overall professionalism of your Shopify store.